The Komodo dragon, scientifically known as Varanus komodoensis, is one of the most extraordinary creatures on Earth. Native to a few Indonesian islands, including Komodo, Rinca, Flores, and Gili Matang, this unique reptile is the world's largest lizard. With its impressive size, powerful build, and fascinating biology, the Komodo dragon has captivated scientists, wildlife enthusiasts, and tourists alike. Here, we explore the Komodo dragon's habitat, physiology, hunting techniques, and unique reproductive abilities. Komodo dragons inhabit a few islands in the Lesser Sunda group, mainly Komodo Island, from which they derive their name. The islands in their range are volcanic in origin, rugged, and characterized by dry, arid climates. Komodo dragons thrive in savannas, forests, and open grasslands, where they can bask in the sunlight and find prey. These islands provide an ideal habitat with limited vegetation, allowing these large reptiles to roam freely and hunt efficiently. The remoteness of these islands has allowed the Komodo dragon to evolve in relative isolation, resulting in its unique adaptations. Indonesia has designated much of this area as part of Komodo National Park to protect these ancient reptiles and their ecosystems. The Komodo dragon is the largest lizard in existence, reaching lengths of up to 10 feet and weighing between 150 and 200 pounds on average. Its long, muscular body is covered in rough, armored scales, with a color that blends well into its dry, rugged surroundings. This coloration provides effective camouflage, making it an ideal predator in its environment. The dragon has a long, powerful tail that aids in balanced movement and even defense. One of the Komodo dragon's most distinctive features is its strong, muscular legs equipped with sharp claws, which allow it to move surprisingly quickly despite its massive size. Komodo dragons can sprint at speeds up to 13 miles per hour over short distances, making them formidable hunters. Additionally, they are excellent swimmers, capable of moving between small islands within their range. Their mouths contain over 60 sharp, serrated teeth, similar to those of sharks. These teeth are designed to tear through flesh efficiently, enabling them to take down large prey quickly. Behind these fearsome teeth is another dangerous weapon: their saliva. A Komodo dragon's saliva contains a cocktail of toxic bacteria and venom, making even a single bite potentially lethal to its prey. Komodo dragons are apex predators with a varied diet that includes deer, pigs, water buffalo, smaller reptiles, and carrion. They have a keen sense of smell, thanks to their forked tongues, which they flick in and out to detect chemical cues in the air. By gathering these chemical particles and bringing them to a specialized organ known as the Jacobson's organ, located on the roof of their mouth, Komodo dragons can taste the air and detect prey from up to 2.5 miles away. Komodo dragons are opportunistic hunters, often waiting in ambush to attack unsuspecting animals that pass by. With a swift strike, they bite into the prey, using their powerful jaws and sharp teeth to inflict deep wounds. However, their venomous bite also plays a critical role in hunting. While the exact mechanism of their venom is still studied, scientists know it causes a rapid drop in blood pressure, paralyzes the prey, and prevents blood clotting, leading to shock and death. The bacteria in their saliva further assist by causing severe infections in prey, hastening their demise. Komodo dragons are also scavengers and readily consume carrion. They have an acute sense of smell and can detect a dead or dying animal from miles away, quickly gathering to consume it. In this role, they help maintain a balanced ecosystem by removing decomposing animal matter, which can prevent the spread of diseases. Although Komodo dragons are typically solitary animals, they may come together when there is an abundance of food, such as a large carcass. When this happens, a clear social hierarchy emerges based on size and strength, with the largest and most dominant dragons eating first. Younger, smaller Komodos must wait their turn or risk being attacked by larger individuals. Interestingly, Komodo dragons have been known to practice cannibalism, sometimes eating smaller or younger dragons in times of scarcity, showcasing their adaptability and opportunistic nature. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Komodo dragon's biology is its reproductive process. Mating season occurs between May and August, with females laying eggs in September. Komodo dragons are polygynous, meaning one male mates with multiple females. During mating season, males engage in ritual combat, wrestling and biting each other in a bid to prove dominance and gain access to females. Female Komodo dragons lay between 15 and 30 eggs, which they bury in sandy or loose soil. The incubation period lasts around 7 to 8 months, and the young dragons typically hatch in April. At birth, these hatchlings are around 16 inches long and immediately face the threat of predation from larger Komodos, forcing them to flee to the trees, where they spend much of their juvenile life. One of the Komodo dragon's most fascinating abilities is its capacity for asexual reproduction, a process called parthenogenesis. In the absence of a male, a female can still produce viable eggs. This phenomenon allows Komodo dragons to reproduce and establish populations even when isolated, an adaptation that has likely contributed to their resilience over thousands of years. Despite their dominance within their habitat, Komodo dragons are classified as a vulnerable species, with an estimated population of around 6,000 individuals. Their limited distribution and specific habitat requirements make them susceptible to environmental changes, habitat loss, and human interference. Climate change poses a particularly significant threat, as rising sea levels could reduce their already restricted habitat. In addition to climate threats, illegal poaching, encroachment by humans, and competition for resources also jeopardize their survival. Fortunately, Indonesia's Komodo National Park, established in 1980, provides a protected area for these reptiles, and it has become a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Conservation efforts focus on habitat preservation, research, and sustainable tourism to ensure the species' long-term survival. The Komodo dragon's unique appearance and fearsome reputation have made it a popular figure in popular culture, appearing in documentaries, books, and even movies. The allure of witnessing a Komodo dragon in its natural habitat attracts thousands of tourists each year to Komodo National Park. This tourism has provided economic support for conservation efforts, but must be carefully managed to prevent disruption to the natural ecosystem and ensure the safety of both visitors and the dragons. The Komodo dragon is a true marvel of evolution, with its immense size, powerful hunting skills, and fascinating biology. It stands as a testament to nature's adaptability and resilience, surviving and thriving in a harsh, isolated environment. From its venomous bite and impressive speed to its rare ability to reproduce without a mate, the Komodo dragon is one of the most compelling reptiles on the planet.